Last week, I had the chance to preview the model homes at Chevy Chase Crossing, Toll Brothers' newest townhouses community in Chevy Chase, Maryland. I'm bringing you inside so you can see exactly what this community has to offer. Come along with me. I'm here at the new development for Toll Brothers. It's townhouses in Chevy Chase. It is called the Chevy Chase Crossing, and I'm about to go and preview some of their model homes. Come along with me. So I'm actually here with Braylon at the Konik Greensboro collection, which is the largest collection in the community. This one has an elevator. And Braylon was telling me a few things about the homes. Would love to know more from her.
Of course. Hello, I'm Bringlin. I am working for Toll Brothers. I have 3 different floor plans in this collection. So we have the one we're standing in right now, which is the Konik. It is a center kitchen home. It's beautiful. It's about 3,500 square feet. We also have the Takara, which is our rear kitchen home. That is about the same square footage. And we have a Rarity, which is our Misaki floor plan. That one is a side entry that actually opened up on Monir Road, which is not a busy street at all, but it's beautiful and it has several outdoor spaces and it is beautiful.
And Braylon was mentioning to me also that it's $100 for the HOA. And what does it cover?
Oh, it covers the lawn maintenance. It covers common area, snow removal, also trash and recycling.
Also. And you actually have a backyard in this one, as well as a terrace, which is very rare nowadays to get both of them. Plus, is it a 2-car garage or is it a 1-car garage?
Garage with an electric vehicle charger in case you have or want an EV.
Awesome.
Thank you, Brad. Enjoy.
Let me take you through the house right now. So this is the entry. You go in just through. It's above grade basement, so that's a nice thing. You have nothing below grade. And there is your staircase going up. When you walk through, you have, this is a closet. That's your coat closet here. And then this is your garage. Like we mentioned, Braylon said, it's a 2-car garage. And then this is your elevator. So your elevator will take you all the way to the 4th floor. And this is like a flex area. It could be your TV area. And it opens up into the backyard like Braylon mentioned as well. So you have a backyard, which I asked her if we could fence it. And she said, yes, you could fence it, even though the HOA actually mows the lawn for you, which is really nice to have. You have a closet here, actually locked. And then you walk in. So this is a 4-bedroom house. And this is one of the bedrooms. It's downstairs as you walk in. So it's perfect if you have guests, because you have an ensuite full bedroom as well. And then you have, now this will be your security system, your Wi-Fi system, and then, as you can see, you have a closet here. It's a nice sized bedroom. You can actually fit a king-size bed here, by the way. Let's go upstairs, which is an open space. Very beautiful. You have a very nice kitchen. And as mentioned before, Braylon mentioned that it will be a center kitchen. So this means that you will have your living space on one side and your dining is on the other side. And there is your fabulous kitchen and dining. And this is a electric fireplace, Braylon. This is gas. Okay. Okay, nice. Nice. And then you have your powder room here. And another closet. I want to show you over here because this is your of the living room deck, which again, like I said, you don't get that a lot anymore. Really nice. And then if you go back, this is the backyard I showed you from downstairs. Decent size, because if you want to put a grill or something, you can put it downstairs. And then these sliding doors actually fold, so it has more of the feel of like indoors, outdoors. You can see how deep the house is as well. And the doors are nice and heavy, which is really nice. Are these Bosch appliances? Jenner. Okay, so you have Jenner appliances everywhere. Nice counter depth fridge. Electric range or cooktop. And then double oven and a microwave as well. And this is your dining. And then off the dining area again, you have a flex area. Nice high ceilings. These are 10-foot ceilings. There we go. Perfect. So very nice ceiling heights everywhere. And this is your pantry, which is beautiful, large. Then you go up again. Now this is the bedroom level. This will be your washer and dryer area. Side by side. And then you have some cabinetry up there as well. Your elevator is here. And this is the first bedroom. This is actually your primary bedroom. You have a king-size bed already in here, so you see the proportions. Really nice, sunny. And then you have your walk-in closet. Beautiful size as well. And finally, this is your primary suite. Double sink, large shower, linen closet, your toilet, when you walk out of here, you have these are 2 bedrooms and they are serviced by this bath, which is again a nice sized bathroom. You have a tub here. You also have a double sink here as well, which is nice. So this is 1 bedroom. You can see very bright, beautiful Juliet balcony. This is a full-size bed, but you can definitely fit a queen as well, because you see the bedside table is on the larger side. I forgot to mention there are actually 63 homes in the community, and a lot of them are not ready yet, but there are several that are ready for move-in. So it depends on your situation. The ones that are not ready for move-in, you can still add your finishes to them. And that's another bedroom. Let's go. This is the top floor that we're going up to. So this is where your HVAC is. There is a dual zone, which is nice. Your elevator, very important. And finally, you have your privacy on a deck. You can put a grill here too if you want to because you have enough space. And there is a fireplace. It's also a gas fireplace on this side. Really pretty. And what's nice is you really can't see any of your neighbors right or left when you're sitting here. So you have a lot of privacy on this side. There is also an awning, which is nice to have because we all know Washington and it's really hot in the summer. So good to have an awning. Now, the last thing I need to mention, this is going to be very close to the purple line. It's not finished yet. New construction is a completely different experience from buying an existing home. The process, the timelines, the contract terms. There are nuances you really need to understand before you sign anything. If you want to learn more about Chevy Chase Crossing or how new construction works, reach out to me directly and I'll walk you through everything. My contact is below.